Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about corrosion of iron. Corrosion of iron is called rusting. Before we going to discuss about rusting, first we must aware about corrosion. So what is corrosion? When metals are exposed to atmospheric condition, they react with air or water in the environment to form undesirable compounds that are usually oxides. This process is called corrosion. Almost all metals are attacked by environment and undergo corrosion except the least active metals such as gold, platinum, etc. Corrosion causes innumerous damage to many articles that made up of iron. Corrosion is a process of deterioration of a metal as a result of its reaction with air or water that surround it. So, corrosion is a process of slowly eating away of the metal due to the attack of atmospheric gases on the surface of the metal, resulting into the formation of oxides, sulfides, carbonates. There are several factors which affect corrosion. Some of them are discussed here. Number one factor that affect corrosion is the reactivity of the metal. More reactivity of the metal, more will be the possibility of the metal to getting corroded. Next factor which affect corrosion is the presence of impurities in the metal, which increases the speed of corrosion. Third factor which affect corrosion is the presence of carbon dioxide in the water. Presence of carbon dioxide in natural water increases rusting of the iron. Next factor which affect corrosion is presence of electrolytes. Presence of electrolytes in the water also increases the rate of corrosion. For example, corrosion of iron in seawater takes place to longer extent than in a distilled water. So these are the common factors which affect corrosion. Corrosion of iron is called rusting. Actually, rust is a hydrated ferrous oxide. So, this is a hydrated ferrous oxide that we called rust. Next, we are going to discuss mechanism of rusting. The phenomena of corrosion can be best explained with the help of electrochemical theory, which involves oxidation and reduction reaction. I will explain you this theory with the help of this diagram. According to this theory, impurities present in iron behave like a small electrical cells in the presence of water containing dissolved oxygen or carbon dioxide. So, pure iron is act as anode while the cathode are impure portion. So, this pure iron is the anode and this impure portion is the cathode. So, pure iron and impurities behave like a small electrical cells. Iron in contact with dissolved carbon dioxide and oxygen undergo oxidation. So, at anode, iron undergoes oxidation and produce ferrous ion and also release electron and leaving electrons on the metal surface. Electrons lost by the iron are taken up by the hydrogen ions produced on the surface of the metal. The hydrogen ions are obtained either from water or from acidic substances in the water. So this hydrogen ion take electron and form hydrogen atom, which combine with oxygen and form water. So this is the reduction half reaction. The overall equation of rusting is, now the ferrous ion are oxidized further by dissolved oxygen or atmospheric oxygen from the air to form ferric oxide with the production of hydrogen ions. The ferric oxide is then undergoes hydration, and as we know, hydrated ferric oxide is called rust. So by this way rust is formed. So students, this is all about corrosion of iron. Thank you.